Alright, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's a little mixed opening. I've got a bit of football, some rookies and stars, some hoops premium, and some prizm draft picks. So we're just gonna have a little look and see what we can find in these. Start with the football, I guess. We're going to start off with Mark Andrews, Darren Waller, JJ Watt, Miles Sanders, Jonathan Taylor, got a bit of colour, Cooper Cup, Aaron Jones ovation, standing ovation, Khalil Mack, action packed, Nico Collins rookie, yeah, I cannot pronounce that, rookie, and cold card. Stick these out of the way for a sec. Don't think there was anything too great in there. I'll open the hoops premium stock next. I think this was the Jar and the Zion rookie here. Okay, so we're going to start off with Laurie Markkanen. Don't know if you see a little bit of silver at the back. A Diallo. Tribute, John Stockton. That's quite nice. And what we got at the back here? Clippers, maybe Kawhi. No, before Kawhi. Rookie. Yeah, I can't pronounce that, so I'm not gonna try. Sleeved up. Nice John Stockton. Right, let's see if we can find anyone of note in the draft picks. Not everyone's favourite because it's the college uniforms, but you can get some nice cards in here. I believe these ones have the red, white and blue prisms. So we'll start off with the pack and see who we've got in here. Slippery these ones. Okay, we'll start off with a Paul Pierce, Patrick Williams, Jonathan Kuminga. Ooh, Zion. We like Zion. It's a nice one. Trey Mann, another nice one. Trey Young, another nice one. Something tells me I got a nice pack. Kobe White, another nice one. Joel Embiid. Is he gonna stop? Josh Giddey. In everyone right now. Got a rookie stamp on it as well. Malcolm Brogdon. Okay, we've got some green. Alex Caruso. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with that guy. Silver, Franz Wagner, rookie, nice. And that's the last one out of that. It wasn't a bad pack, to be honest. It's quite a good one. Let's see whether we can get the bonus pack, see if we can get any better luck. Right, not everyone likes these, like I said, but I think they're alright, to be fair. Like Chris the what? Zach Levine. And who else? Tyrese Halliburton. So that was actually not too bad, to be fair. Like I said, a lot of people don't like these, but I seem to have hit quite a few nice people. So yeah, I don't know. I would maybe buy another. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.